Let's go, let's go, let's go. Keep on talking, let's go. I'm just sending a prayer of thank you, thank you, thank you. This is, whew. This is amazing. All right, we're gonna make some chocolate milk. It has these very simple, easy ingredients. We have some Medjool dates, some cocoa powder, sea salt, cinnamon, some sunflower seeds that's been soaking in water, and a squeeze of lemon juice overnight. We have a lemon. We're gonna add some more lemon juice to our milk, some vanilla extract, and then also water. So we're gonna make a delicious, creamy, tasty chocolate milk. Let's go. This chocolate milk actually helps with sugar cravings and steady energy. The secret: sunflower seeds, Medjool dates, and a little bit of cinnamon. Rinse the sunflower seeds very well. Put them in a bowl and cover the seeds with plenty of water, plus about a half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Soak for 6 to 8 hours in the refrigerator. This process helps to enhance the flavor and release more of the nutrients. Sunflower seeds are the calm energy base. They are rich in magnesium. That's the mineral that helps your body relax and your mind focus. They also bring vitamin E and healthy fats, which support your skin and keep your energy smooth instead of spiky. After soaking the sunflower seeds, drain and rinse until the water runs clear. For sweetness, I'm using Medjool dates. Dates are nature's candy, but here's the difference. They come with fiber, which means the sweetness lands softer. No wild sugar highs, no crash after an hour. They also bring potassium for hydration and a little bit of antioxidant love. As you see here, I have added the soaked sunflower seeds, the dates, the cinnamon, the sea salt, the vanilla, and the water to the blender jar. I adore cinnamon, mainly because of the taste, but another benefit is that it helps your body handle sugar better, so cravings chill out and your energy feels more even. Plus, that warm, cozy flavor makes a whole drink feel like a treat without the junk. Now I'm just going to blend for 60 to 90 seconds until the mixture is silky smooth. Next, strain the mixture by passing it through a nut bag or a fine mesh for extra smooth texture. I do a little extra stirring to help the milk pass through the mesh strainer. I taste and fine-tune the drink as I go, so after straining, pour the milk back into the blender jar, maybe add another squeeze of lemon juice to balance the flavor, more cocoa powder to make it more chocolatey, and then blend for another few seconds. Continue to taste and adjust the cocoa, the cinnamon, the sweetness, the salt, and the vanilla to your palate. Now let's just blend for a few more seconds. That is it, y'all. Bottle and refrigerate this milk for about 3 to 4 days, and then shake the bottle every time before you serve it and drink it. Okay, this is my chocolate milk that I just made. Sometimes I really outdo myself and I don't, like, it's amazing that I do it because my intention is always to make good food, but I am always shocked when it turns out amazing. And really, because I taste the food along the way, I know how to tweak it to my particular palate. With this chocolate milk, y'all, we got some soaked sunflower seeds, some dates, vanilla, a bit of sea salt, some cinnamon, water, a squeeze of lemon juice to balance it out, to balance out the flavors. But we're gonna try this. Let's try it. Let's try it and see how she tastes. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Chocolate. I haven't had chocolate milk in, like, I really don't remember the last time I had chocolate milk. When I was a kid, of course, we had chocolate milk, but this is better than your regular chocolate milk because this is 100% au natural, plant-based milk, sunflower seeds. So let's go. Keep on talking. Let's go. I'm just sending a prayer of thank you. This is, this is amazing. This is amazing. Chocolate, creamy, cinnamony. Hint of sweetness. You can add a little bit more sweetness if you want, but like I said, I like to keep the added sweeteners a little on the low because, as I keep on saying, if you watch other videos, I am sweet enough, so I do not need to add a lot of sweeteners to my food. Okay, I'm just saying. So this is the bomb. Try it out. It's super easy. You can tweak it to your palate, but this is utter perfection. You know what you can do? You can slightly warm this up, put it on the stove, a little low heat, because you don't want to boil this, and let it warm up. Hot cocoa. When you try this, when you make this dish, I want you to contact me, comment below, and I want you to say Nita girl, Nita sister. Nita girl, Nita sister. You know what you're talking about. Because I do know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's try it. And I'm going to